Just throw it in and wait. You'll never waste time scrubbing the burners again. Is that right, guys? And for that, you're going to take a container, and here we're going to add some baking soda. We'll add 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and now we'll need a lemon. If possible, use this type here as it's more acidic and will be better for our tip. I'm going to cut the lemon in half. We're going to come here and squeeze all the lemon juice into the mixture. It will give a reaction together with the bicarbonate, but it's absolutely normal. This little mixture here is really very potent, so let's squeeze all the lemon here. I'm also going to put detergent here. I'm using this one, but you can use whatever you have at home. We'll add 3 tablespoons of detergent. We'll also need vinegar, but it has to be alcohol vinegar. It can't be any other kind of vinegar, and we'll add the same amount as the detergent, 3 tablespoons of vinegar. And to finish off, you'll now have 1 liter of hot water, so you can pour it into our mixture. Give it a stir to mix all the ingredients well. What do we do now? Are you going to take the mouth of the stove, the burners, as we use them? If you don't clean it often, it will accumulate a lot of burnt-on dirt, leftover food, and anyone who has ever tried to remove it from here knows how difficult it is. And with this mixture we've just made, we'll be able to remove these burnt-on stains to remove even the heavy dirt. What are you going to do? You're going to take the stove burners and throw them into the mixture, and it's very important that they're completely submerged in the mixture. You can also put these parts up here, which are usually rusty, and this mixture will help remove them too. You put it here. We'll leave it until the water cools down for an average of 20 to 30 minutes, and I'll show you, after the time has elapsed. I'll remove one here, and I'll show you, look at this. We can practically remove it with our finger. How wonderful is that? That's because the hot water together with the other ingredients, vinegar, bicarbonate, and lemon, softens all the dirt. Those stains and grease that were grimy. You don't have to waste your time scrubbing, it's really nice. What you can do now is take a sponge, just moisten it here in our mixture and just wipe off the excess, and you don't even have to force it. Look how wonderful it is, it comes off really easily. It's very nice, and look at the difference. It looks like another really nice piece, so that's it. Your stove burners are dirty and stained. Don't waste time scrubbing them with scouring pads or even hurting your finger. Make this mixture at home and you're sure to like the result.